Hi, this is Emily with the monthly housing market update covering the Tri-County area of Calumet, Sheboygan, and Manitowoc counties and a little bit beyond. Looking at our sales from September 2023, way down from September 2022, over 100 houses less, and 2022 was a little bit more thin than 2021. Down from August 2023. The list price is $299, $258, which is kind of seasonal. That's almost what you would expect. Down a little bit from August, but up from a year ago. Sales prices again accordingly following the same pattern. Days on market are a bit longer than the previous month, but on track for the previous September. So again, seasonal slowdown. Currently, there are 365 listings. A little over half, 190, have offers. The average list price is $361, $325 overall, and 51 days on the market. And those prices and days on market kind of similar to last month for active listings. Days on the market for those with no offers is a little bit longer, 56, and again, as you would expect, a higher average list price. Breaking it down into my usual categories, 500 and above, there are 67 of those on the market, 23 have offers. The average list price is $676, $673, which is kind of similar to last month. Days on market very much the same. Then under 500, there's 298 of those, 131 have offers. Average list price is $290,425, and days on the market pretty much the same as they were last month for active listings. I am seeing some price bracket differences, however. Starter homes, there are still a lot of activity for those and bidding wars accordingly. Higher priced homes are probably not going to see the bidding wars. It's going to depend on your little micro market, but I'm thinking of one specific market in particular where it's absolutely flooded with houses in the same price bracket. Those houses are not going to sell in a hurry because there's so many of them. But we do still have supply and demand issues. We still have that, especially with the starter homes. So here's a headline from Inman. I just got this in my email a few days ago. They're looking back a little further because it takes them longer to collect data. But here's something that's interesting. It says here 15% lower sales of existing homes. Well, why? Because there's nothing for sale. And then it says home sales have been stable for several months, neither rising nor falling in any meaningful way. Mortgage rate changes will have a big impact on the short run, while job gains will have a steady positive impact over the long run. Actually, in this local market, I'm not seeing mortgage rate changes having much change or impact in the market at all. But eventually, it will reach some sort of point where it can start to have an impact. Then again, talking about inventory was down 14% from a year ago. Well, that correlates to the sales being down. Go figure. And then it says the Midwest saw sales increase 1% from the previous month, but fall 16% from the previous year. Again, we have a shortage of houses for sale. So we have the perspective, supply and demand. Is demand cooling off in some price brackets? I think it may be. I think it may be the seasonal slowdown. It, as again I said, depends on the price. Latest mortgage rate that I checked was 7.5% interest rate, historically low-ish. We're kind of getting to that 8%, 8.5%, which after that, it tends to be considered a little higher. However, a lot of people can remember when interest rates were 9 or 10%, or even when they went down to 13% from 18%. So I guess it's all relative. There is a prediction that the Fed is going to raise the interest rate one more time before the end of 2023. The market is good, especially in investments, strangely enough. 5 years ago, investment properties were going to sit on the market and take a longer time to sell. They just were. And now I'm seeing bidding wars. I wrote an offer just yesterday that was rejected because it was part of a bidding war for an investment property. So there is a very strong demand, as I said, for the first time home buyers and investments. The price increase from last September to this September was 7.7%. And my little slogan, of course, the best time to buy real estate is yesterday. Do not try to time the market. Buy real estate according to your own schedule, your own wants and needs. And then for more information, you can go to this website. This is Emily Matthews, here to help you with all your real estate needs.